And Article 150, having in mind the security of the country, so that we do not have protests in the streets of Nairobi, which will destabilize the country and which will put all of us in an embarrassing position. Your Honor, with respect, I'm asking you again, apply that precautionary principle. And when we ask you to get out of this case, we are applying that precautionary principle that we do not want certain evil people in the streets of Nairobi shouting, Hatujapata justice.
That is a threat.
Thank you very much.
That is a threat.
That's what?
It is a threat. Don't threaten us.
What's the precautionary principle is not a threat. Yeah.
My Lord. Yes.
I would have liked to go on further.
No, please sit down.
And may I say with tremendous respect, my Lord, may I say with tremendous respect, I'm very well read. Thank you.
My Lord, Your Ladyship, there's one urgent issue that I would like to draw the attention of this Honorable Court to before the court rises. My Lord, in petition 565, there were conservatory orders granted by your brother, Mr. Justice Chacha Mwita, on the 18th of October. But they expire today at midnight. My Lord, the purpose of the conservatory orders were to preserve the purpose of the conservatory orders were to preserve May I continue, my Lord? The conservatory orders preserve the substratum of the petition and the interlocutory orders application in order for the court to have time to consider
Yes, please.
my Lord,
You're listening.
I was waiting for my Lord Murima, not Mulema, to preserve the substratum, to accord the court time to hear submissions on the weighty issues of law of the Constitution. So my plea is that you extend those orders because they were to expire tonight.
Any response?
Can we get one response only? Just one response.
My Lord, very briefly. In relation to the question of the conservatory orders, the court will remember that we also filed an application and a certificate of urgency on the question of conservatory orders. If at all it is now their changed position that the issue as to whether they can be extended or not should be brought before the bench, we are willing, ready, and able to argue it right now.
Well, these are orders that have been granted. They were enforced. There is nothing to argue. We have not come to the applications. In fact, there are another 2 applications for conservatory orders. And I assume that the application by the Attorney General, the Senate, and by the National Assembly for the discharge of the conservatory orders, you'll be here together with these other 2 applications.
No.
I am addressing the court, not the bar.
My lords, if this court is bad for something, it is bad for everything. Until you have ruled on your own suitability to hear the matter, you cannot address any substance.
Professor Githu, we meet you tomorrow at 1 p.m. for the ruling.
Thank you.